One mo labot sa mga. So ayun si panawag na ko. That's basically what it is, ma. So kung karon pa lang mismo, ma, I will tell you, ayun na lang sikreto, there's nothing. Block na tanan ang iyang possible sources sa Facebook. Di na ta maghisgod og Edwin. Let the system roll. Because kung mabawan sa immigration karon na nagsiga kung kontak din na, you will lose your case. And you will not only lose your case, you'll probably also gonna lose us. Because giingnan di ka, I do not like that guy, nimpugos ka in the first place, tanawa, asa ka natagak ron. But we will move on because nabana naman mo ng animal, daron we are stepping on the phase 2. And the phase 2 is to dissolve that motherfucker. And karon i-dissolve na to na siya, ayaw na sige hisgot, ayaw na sige panawad, ayaw na sige stress na drama to the point that it's just no sense. So ayaw na contact. Kung gusto ka mo contact ni Bibing o kung sa ng mga kanding, that's fine. Pero nothing about kang Edwin, nothing. Like nothing. Mas kung gusto ka mo isgot sa mo, in no, I can't. That is a breach sa unsay akong decline din I'm sorry. Kasi why naminaw sa tuwa, I just don't want to be influenced. Nothing. I don't want to hear about him. I don't care kung nagkaon siya o nagkamang siya sa lapok o sa paing sa kabaw. Well, I don't care. Kaya mauna na ako na desisyonan and I will stand by it. That's it. You have to be strong, ma. Kung naghila-hila ka karon nag-uol ka sa mong sakit, you have to be strong. Ikaw daghan kay kag surgery gagihan na. Your soul is very strong. Kahit ka man. Gikan ko kag kalisod unya nadala nimo atong pamilya na ahon nimo sa kalisod. You're a very strong person. Okay? So stay that way. Ayaw ka walang paglao. Oh my gosh. Wait. Wala kang paglao. Dagang bagay kang pangarap, gusto ba ka magsurod-surod, gusto ba ka mo unsa ba? Kaya karon awat ang paglaom ako manggaling nga bako na kini sa utang. What are you gonna do?
Naapata mo care sa iya.
Yeah, like what are you gonna do? Mag-goal ka ng mga butang man, nahitabo kung saan nahitabo na. There is no tomorrow if there is no today. So you take care of yourself today, then you will have a tomorrow. Kami man nagsulti ko sa imuha not because that gusto ko mo control sa imuha. It's just that I just don't think he really fits for you. But karon nasugda naman yun na problem. This is what I'm saying. Is nakafile naman yun ka ng immigration, na-involved ng immigration, do not contact anymore, nothing. You might as well create ng tawhana, the same sa kong amahan. Nothing. Forget about it. Zero balance. Forgotten. That's it. Kung nahimog mo na sa kong amahan, I'm pretty sure mahimog mo na ang tawhana. Ito ako amahan, amon pakikuba na to, kaning animala ni Wa yun, zero balance. Manumagdubag sa telepono, ikaw kanunay mali. Ikaw, bulan na naman, ikaw kanunay mali. No, ridiculous. Kasabot ko, na ikaw nakakalisod. Your struggle, you have your own struggles. Man, kung nagtambak ko sa mo, mas tuos kita, magbangga atong mga ulo. Ako mo nakapong ko'y gamay kayo nabilin sa mo, na ako makambag sa mo. It's like, do not make yourself in a worse situation. That's, kana imo ang current health condition mo. You just pray to God. You have a very strong soul. You have a very strong sense of your own justice, and just pray. Just pray. Muhilag ka, muluhod ka sa asin, you cannot change what is about to happen. Let God take what is supposed to be taken. If he asks for it, you should be willing. You should be a soldier of the light. You should stand by it. You have the banner of the Lord with you. So if the Lord asks it, you should give it back. Because this is not ours. You know that. It is in the Bible. We had only rented this by using this so-called bodies in a human form. This is not ours. Then if the owner says, I want it back, then it shall be given. That's it. That's all you can do. That is what true strength is from within. It's not physical form, spiritual. Na ako pa sa mo, ama, do not make things any worse. Now, I just cannot make this straight to the point. Kung may health condition, do not cry about it. Let's just talk it back to the Lord, take it back to the Lord and bring it up and say, Lord, I noticed that there is an extra layer of, possibly steps that I have to take. I hope you do understand that, it is quite heavy for me to lift. It is starting to be getting to that point where it feels unbearable. And you know what's in my heart, you know what is on my mind, and you know that this is the main reason I am trying to connect with you, is I need your help. I hope that everything from this point is according to your will, according to your plan, for I shall only take what is given to me. Mauna ako masulti sa mga health condition. And sa imo kong case kang Edwin sa immigration, I will really very strongly suggest you block any types of communication, because nag-file na ka of dissolvement, but it doesn't make sense that you still have a contact with the same person. Mura kang nagpapriso og tao, pero ang imong ipapriso, imo pang ginastorya. Now, done is done. It has to end. Everything has an end. Unfortunately, he asked his earlier than it should be. And it will be done. Tomorrow na ako masulti sa mama. Ako, try to support sa mo. Of course, I understand na kay sarili ni mong mind, you have your own decisions. And you already had paid the consequence for it, which is extra stress, extra problem, extra worry na. So I hope you understand. Ano ako ang masulti sa mo. Kanan ako nasulti sa mo. Napakadala. Okay? So I hope you understand that I am not against you. It is just clearly very visible, man, that it is not meant for you. Not every job in the world is meant for everybody. Because every single one of us, as an individual, are all different. Lalaki siya, lalaki ko. Porque kaya nakatrabaho sa kinunana kabukat, that doesn't mean that makaya ko na dito. But at the same time, that doesn't mean I'm a weak person. It's just that I have my own limitations. So, pablo ka ma, galing ka na itong nakadi, galing ka na itong sayop mo na you really did that, taken that step that I wish you didn't in the first place. Galing ka na siya because, as I said, there is no tomorrow if there is no today. Because you cannot move forward if everything ended right now. So you take care of yourself. Then you will be given another chance of tomorrow. Always an extension of our lives. Maski kung sa baskog, you can easily be taken out tomorrow. You'll never know, basig matulog ko karong gabi, atakiron ko sa akong pills na ako. By the way, napo ko ako ang antibiotics. I demanded antibiotics, gikan kang Lightner, nagsugod na ko di ka na Lightner, gusto ko mubalik ng Dr. Johnson. So, but I know, but at least you know what, si Dr. Johnson is a little bit more like considerate rather than kang Lightner. I always have felt like a little bit claustrophobic with Lightner, but since he's not a bad person either. You see, ano din ako ganano like mga is that like kabalo siya daan sa akong records and then every time mo reach out ko sa yaha, he cannot kung sa Pilipino pa kanang kontra gusto mo ka. It doesn't make sense. Kana mo story sa sakoa na ang iyang tono sa iyang thing sa iyang pagatubag is like kanang ano good? Yeah, a little bit. Yeah, a little bit. A little bit. Yeah, well, it's just no. I understand that. I understand that. You know, you gotta maintain that that conversation of what you came for. I understand that. Nato ko dito, hey, nagkonsult ako. Parang di lang siya, kung ako pasabot sa mo, about kang like na, is that like, again, he knew my medical history. Like, kabalo siya daan nga, I am struggling with this, like, really weird nga, more segunda ko sa gibarang, like wala kay results, but naa din ha. Like, I'm getting to the point where, like, halos ako na siyang ginaw, nag-iingnan ako siya, are you saying that I'm a liar? Because nagsulti siya last time sa kuha nga, wala man siya problema sa mo. Joke, kabalo ka. Kung kailan ko mo agi o lie detector test para lumsan ako ng munaw, I probably would. Because you know what? Dili ko magsayang sa akong panahon, magsipanawag sa inyo ang clinic para lang na hula-hulator ko another week, kunya ingnon lang ko nga wa kay problema. Seriously, Dok, naa ko problema. Kung siguro mental disorder, dapat imula lang takong gilaparo dra o mental disorder. But guess, you cannot even declare that because wala ko kay grounds, wala ko kay proof. I mean, Dok, yato lang ko dire, Dok. I'm saying, I do have problem. So do not tell me na wala ko'y problema just because wala yung resulta. You know, don't you think that maybe your methods are wrong? Maybe there is something else that you can do